Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable silent shutter mode on Sony A6400. Let's begin. Now by default, if we make any kind of photo, it will make a loud shutter sound, like this. In order to remove this, we want to go to Menu, and we can go to the second page of the menu on specifically fourth page. And right at the top we have silent shooting. We can enable this. And now if we do a photo, we can see that no sound has been done. Even like the mic won't even try to detect any kind of sound. It is perfect for like some quiet events or like wildlife photography. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.